And chips. So this is our meeting room. This is where we have a lot of meetings and talk about almost nothing. And that was homemade guacamole outside by yours truly. And I don't know if everyone liked it or not, but they definitely ate it all. And I think they're just being nice, because I don't think it really tasted that good. But hey, they ate it, so whatever. But hey, this Saturday, Korea. Yeah. Anyone else excited? Anyway, so this is video number 3 of the workplace, and this is me taking a break at work. Yeah, you guys should come visit me. It's exciting. Woo!